Hi guys, I have a Ford Escape and I run into two problems with my SDS 100 and I want to show you how I solved both of them. The first problem with the SDS 100 that I found was how to mount it properly in the car so I could see the screen and have access to the controls. So what I found was a WeatherTech cup holder, and I added a little padding so that the scanner, when it fit in, would hold nice and tight. The WeatherTech cup holder is adjustable in all kinds of fashions, up, down, sideways, so it looked like it would be a good fit. As you can see, it fit in there nice. I can adjust the angle so I can see the screen better. It's nice and tight, it won't fall off. That solved the first problem. The second problem is that my Escape, while it's a great car, it's not the quietest vehicle I've ever had. So then the problem became how to hear it above all the noise and of the car and the radio. So what I did is I found me a Bose speaker, and I built myself a little holder to hold the speaker. And as you can see, when the speaker is in place, the speaker is right behind the headrest, and you can control the volume on the radio, turn it down a lot, and you can hear it crystal clear. The speaker simply drops into the holder when I'm ready to use it. Now you can see the speaker. And I take my little cable and I plug it into the scanner, and bingo.
Battery 5.
We'll wait a second, see if I get some transmission so you can hear it.
I-70 copy.
There you go.
Roger. Confirmed out of 632.
So, this solved two problems. The Bose speaker is chargeable, USB chargeable. The scanner works great. I can even plug it in if I have to. It's close enough to my auxiliary plugs here, but normally the scanner will run 5 or 6 hours. Usually enough time while I'm driving that I don't have to worry about it. So there you have it. There's my solution to having a scanner where I can access it and it looks good, and having a speaker where I can eliminate all the road noise. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks. Take care.